Google Maps is the world's most widely used mapping service, providing navigation, route planning, and local information. It combines satellite imagery, real-time traffic data, and crowdsourced information to give users up-to-date directions, help them explore new places, and navigate with ease. Whether you're a frequent traveler or planning a vacation, Google Maps is an indispensable tool. In this journey, we'll explore how Google Maps works, its numerous benefits for travelers, how its offline features can save you when you're lost, and the countries where the app is available. Subscribe for more adventures. How Google Maps works, the technology behind Google Maps. Google Maps leverages a combination of technologies to provide seamless navigation. Global Positioning System, GPS. Google Maps relies on GPS satellites to track your location and offer real-time navigation. GPS signals are sent from satellites to your phone, determining its exact position on Earth. Mapping data. Google Maps uses satellite images, street view imagery, and user-generated data to create a comprehensive and detailed map. This mapping data is continuously updated with new information. Crowdsourced data. Google Maps collects data from users, such as traffic speed, routes, and even photos, to offer real-time updates on traffic conditions, road closures, and accidents. Routing algorithms. Google Maps uses advanced algorithms to determine the fastest routes, considering real-time traffic conditions, construction, road closures, and detours. It can offer multiple route options and dynamically reroute you if conditions change while you're traveling. Street View and Satellite Imagery. Street View allows users to see the streets through 360-degree imagery, offering a unique, immersive experience that helps you explore and visualize a location before you arrive. The benefits of using Google Maps while traveling. Real-time navigation. Google Maps offers turn-by-turn directions for driving, walking, cycling, and public transport. Whether you're navigating a new city or exploring remote countryside, Google Maps will guide you with clear, step-by-step instructions. Voice guidance. The app provides voice-guided directions, so you don't have to look at your screen while driving or walking. This makes navigating easier and safer. Dynamic rerouting. Google Maps automatically recalculates your route if you miss a turn or encounter traffic. It ensures you always take the best route based on real-time data. Exploring new places. Google Maps isn't just for navigation, it's also a fantastic tool for discovering new places. From local restaurants to cultural landmarks, Google Maps helps you explore your surroundings with ease. Local recommendations. You can check out reviews, ratings, and photos of places before you visit. Whether you're looking for the best restaurant in town or hidden gems like local parks, Google Maps provides personalized suggestions. Nearby attractions. If you're wandering around a city or tourist spot, simply tap Explore Nearby to find points of interest, dining options, hotels, and more, tailored to your location. Public transport directions. Navigating public transportation in a new city can be daunting, but Google Maps simplifies it. The app offers detailed transit information, including schedules for buses, subways, trains, and trams. Integrated timetables. Google Maps integrates real-time schedules for public transport, helping you plan your journey to avoid unnecessary waiting. It can even provide alternative routes if there are delays. Multimodal navigation. Not only does Google Maps assist with driving and walking, but it also helps you find bike-friendly routes and hiking paths, especially in cities and natural parks. It even highlights bike-sharing stations where you can rent a bike for the day. Offline maps for data-free navigation. One of the most valuable features of Google Maps is its offline functionality, especially for international travel or trips to areas with limited connectivity. How Google Maps offline features work. When you're in an area with no internet or limited data, Google Maps offline capabilities ensure that you can still navigate effectively. Here's how it works. Downloading maps for offline use. Before your trip, you can download specific regions or cities on Google Maps for offline use. To download a map, open Google Maps and search for the location you want to save, like Paris or New York City. Tap the three dots menu and select Download Offline Map. Adjust the area you want to download and hit Download. This allows you to access full maps, directions, and even some business listings without needing an internet connection. Offline navigation. Once your maps are downloaded, you can get turn-by-turn directions, view the map, and search for nearby places, all without internet access. However, real-time traffic data won't be available, and you may not receive updates for closures or accidents. Limitations of offline maps. Traffic and road updates. Without internet, real-time traffic data, road closures, or accident updates won't be available. Public transport schedules, transit schedules, and updates might not be as accurate without a live connection. Getting lost in an unfamiliar place can be stressful, but with Google Maps' offline capabilities, you have a reliable backup to guide you back on track. Here's how offline maps can help if you get lost. 1. Access your location without data. If you're in an area with no service, open Google Maps to see your current location on the map via the blue dot. From here, you can plan your next move. 2. Retrace your steps. When you realize you're lost, Google Maps can help you retrace your steps by showing you the route you took and offering directions to get back to familiar landmarks. 3. Explore nearby places. With offline maps, you can still use the Explore Nearby feature to find essential services like restaurants, gas stations, or transport hubs to help you get back on track. 4. Find an alternative route. Even if you're lost, you can use offline maps to search for new routes and avoid wandering aimlessly. Google Maps will show alternate ways to reach your destination based on the downloaded map data. Google Maps is available in over 200 countries and territories. Here's a breakdown of some key regions where Google Maps works well: North America, United States, Canada, Mexico; Europe, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, Poland, Sweden, Russia, Switzerland; Asia, India, Japan, South Korea, Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, China, though with limited functionality due to local regulations; South America, Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Peru, Chile; Africa, South Africa, Kenya, Nigeria, Egypt; Australia and Oceania, Australia, New Zealand, Papua New Guinea; Middle East, United Arab Emirates, Israel, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Egypt. While Google Maps is widely available, there are some countries where it might have limited access or features due to regulatory restrictions, like China. In these areas, local mapping services might be more commonly used. Google Maps has revolutionized the way we travel, offering accurate, real-time navigation and essential information for exploring new places. Whether you're looking for the best route to your destination, a nearby restaurant, or just a safe way to get home, Google Maps provides it all. Its offline capabilities are particularly valuable for travelers, providing access to maps, routes, and points of interest even when there's no data connection. And no matter where you are in the world, chances are Google Maps will work for you. Whether you're wandering through the streets of Paris or exploring remote hiking trails. Ready to take the stress out of travel and always know where you're going? Subscribe for more adventures and tips to help you explore the world with ease. Happy travels!